that's a great information for our audience that there are no good or bad numbers. So that's a myth,
Yeah.
basically between us, that we have this number is good or that number is bad. And we all have our own significant numbers in our lives. But can we also predict numbers like like we do in astrology? Since you are a numerology expert, please tell our audience that can we also do number predictions in our lives?
Yeah, in numerology, we do a lot of predictions
Right.
related to our business, related to students.
Hmm.
It helps students to opt a career, what
Hmm.
career they should opt in. According to numerology, we can predict that.
Hmm. Okay.
And in numerology, there are lots of fields where
Hmm.
we can see enhance our business.
Hmm.
There are lots of numbers and
Hmm.
lots of remedies related to it. Ki how we can enhance our business
Hmm.
and enhance our. There are many sectors actually.
Right, right. And
In
every number has an
yeah, in
impact. Okay.
numerology also we can also predict the problem of disease
Hmm.
also.
Oh, okay.
Disease also are predicted, and
Hmm.
there are remedies also
Hmm.
which has to be followed,
Hmm.
and they have to be followed by heart only. Then
Okay.
only
Then only it will
you
have
have,
effect.
yeah.
Right. That was great information you shared with our audience. Nidhi, we would also like to understand that how numerology came into existence. What is the history behind this, great science? And you told us how it affects our life and everything. But we would also like to know that how it originated. Joe. So please tell us about it.
Actually, like astrology, it is a very ancient Indian mythology,
Okay.
and this numerology has been actually it has been started by Chinese only. So
Mm-hmm.
you have heard about that yin yang symbol is there.
Ha,
Yeah.
right, right.
So
Mm.
the main thing is that numerology is like we would. I just would like to say that ki it has come. All these numbers are created by this universe only.
Acha. Okay.
Okay, like
Right.
number one, we relate to sun. That is
Mm.
related to the sunrise.
Hmm.
Number
Hmm.
two, it's a feminine number. It's related to moon.
Hmm.
And you would have heard that in ladies mostly, the
Hmm.
menstruational cycle is for 27 days. So
Okay.
that is the phases of the moon. It is related to
Okay.
number two.
27 कलाएं जो
हाँ
कहते
जी,
हैं.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, जो
Okay.
27 कलाएं
Beautiful.
हैं.
Right.
And number three, it is originated from actually the three gods,
Hmm.
Tridev.
Tridev.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
So it
now,
is all interconnected, you
yes,
want to
all
say?
the numbers are
Okay.
interconnected in our life.
Hmm.
Like number four, it is originated from the four directions.
Hmm.
Like we have east,
Okay.
west, like
Okay.
yeah. So all the numbers are given by this universe only to
Hmm.
us.
Amazing.
So
That's
each number
beautiful.
has its own beauty. I
Right.
would like to say that.
So Nidhi, we have been speaking a lot about numerology and the science and the numbers, but our culture has an ancient science that is astrology, and we would like to understand about our own culture's, significant ancient science, astrology. So please tell us about astrology as well.
Actually, astrology is already origin of India only,
Right.
and it has been started from a long years back
Mm-hmm.
through our Vedas and through all
Mm-hmm.
the ancient culture is related to astrology.
Mm-hmm.
But nowadays people have started making a lot of myth also in that.
Mm-hmm.
And astrology is nothing but it is just like that we have our 9 planets.
Mm-hmm.
Our zodiacs are there,
Mm-hmm.
then nakshatras are there, 27
Mm-hmm.
nakshatras are there, our
Okay.
12 zodiacs are there.
Mm-hmm.
So all these when they are combined, each and every planet has effect on
Mm-hmm.
our
Lives.
horoscopes and on our lives.
Right. Right.
So in astrology we mostly predict dasha, antardasha,
Mm-hmm.
and according to that we work on that.
और ये दशा अंतरदशा क्या होती है, अगर हमारे ऑडियंस समझना चाहें तो?
Dasha antardasha is that ki in a very specific year which planet has come
अच्छा.
in which house, and each house has its own impact. हम तो
हमारी
कहेंगे,
लाइफ पे.
हम तो यही कहेंगे कि ये जो है ये हमारी लाइफ में एक आपके घर के 12 कमरे हैं,
हम्म.
और 12 कमरों के अंदर अब आप देख लीजिए कौन कौन से कमरे में किस किस रिलेटिव को या किस किस को आपने वो दे रखे हैं. तो बस इस इम्पैक्ट ऐसे ही होता है
अच्छा.
इसका.
सो इससे इससे क्या हम एस्ट्रोलॉजी से हमारी लाइफ के जो चैलेंजेस आते हैं हमारे करियर में, हमारे बिजनेस में, हमारे फाइनेंसेस में, फैमिली रिलेशनशिप्स में, एस्ट्रोलॉजी क्या उन चीज़ों का सॉल्यूशन हमें देती है?
Yes, a lot.
Okay.
जैसे मैंने पहले भी बोला कि न्यूमरोलॉजी एंड न्यूमरोलॉजी आल्सो कनेक्शन शुड बी देयर.
Connection should be.
ऑल दी
Okay.
साइंसेस आर रिलेटेड टू सोल कनेक्शन है ये. और जब तक
Okay.
सोल के साथ
Okay.
कनेक्ट नहीं होते आप लोग किसी भी चीज़ को लेकर,
Right.
तो वो मतलब पीपल आर देयर,
हम्म.
आपने सुना होगा दे डोंट बिलीव आल्सो.
हाँ,
तो
बहुत
इट
सारे
इज
लोग हैं.
टोटली अ प्रैक्टिकल साइंस, अ बिलीविंग साइंस
हम्म.
एंड अ सोल कनेक्टेड साइंस.
ओके. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि ये कोई किसी ने बना
एंड वी
दिया
हैव
है.
सीन रिजल्ट्स आल्सो.
अच्छा. ओके.
There are results. Lot of sectors are benefited by this, whether it is your financial sectors or your business class sectors. Some or the other, मैंने देखा है लोगों को कि कहीं ना कहीं everyone is interested to know.
कि उस कैसे प्रॉब्लम
There is a कहीं ना कहीं curiosity तो है सबके अंदर थोड़ी बहुत.
सो इज इट लाइक जो हम लोग जेम्स पहनते हैं हाथों में,
हाँ जी.
बहुत सारे स्टोन्स पहनते हैं, नीलम, पन्ना, जो बहुत सारे, इनफैक्ट अगर आप देखें तो बहुत सारे सुपरस्टार्स ने बहुत सारे स्टोन्स पहन रखे हैं. सो इज इट ऑल्सो रिलेटेड टू एस्ट्रोलॉजी? एस्ट्रोलॉजी से ही कनेक्टेड है ये सब?
Yeah, all the stones, all the gems are related to your astrology also, and they are also connected to the planetary positions.
अच्छा.
आपके
so
क्या
कोई
क्या
कुछ भी नहीं पहन सकता है?
हाँ, मतलब it's better you should take an advice and then you should.
So you, for that advice they can always come to you, Nidhi.
Yeah.
Our audience can always come to them, and audience, you cannot wear anything on your own like diamond or neelam panna, and you have to take consultation of an expert to wear any kind of stone in your hands. Okay, Nidhi, so हमने बहुत सारी बात कर ली एस्ट्रोलॉजी पे, न्यूमरोलॉजी पे. There was a serious discussion about the pandemic 2020 2021. You know, there is also, let's get little lighter, that you know, a lot of people are waiting for that love in their life, that true love, what they call that soulmate connection. So you know, can you tell us that how can we attract that love of our life, you know, and we can find our true soulmate connection? बहुत सारे audience, since India is a very young country, you know, and most of the youth would like to know this answer. So please tell our audience about that.
This is I would just like to say that the main thing is that love life is very important.
Yes.
It's not like that everyone wants to be loved, whether it is animals, human beings, everyone wants to be get loved. So my own view is like that ki I just want ki you should first love your own self. Unless and until you don't love yourself, how can you love somebody else?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही बात है.
हाँ,
प्यार
तो-
खुद से स्टार्ट होता है.
हाँ जी. तो वही वाली बात है कि आपको सबसे पहले द मेन थिंग इज दैट लव शुड बी started within you, and then only you can spread.
Then we can spread.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
And is there any way to, you know, for single people to attract that soulmate connection in their life? Is there any way? Is there love, what we call the law
Lot
of
of
attraction?
things are there. Lot of things are there in you would have heard in feng shui is there, and in crystals there are lots of crystals are there, and mainly I would just like to say that for your growth and for your love life, 3 and 6 for family growth and everything, they are very important in our chart.
3 and 6 numbers.
Yeah.
Okay.
And lot of things are there now in the market also. There has to be but I just believe that ki you can use them, and you can enhance your love life with that, like pink colors, fragrances are there. So lot of things are there.
A lot of things are there. So Nidhi, you know, that was a quite insightful, you know, session for us, and you know, I have personal interest in this law of attraction. I read a lot about law of attraction, and I also see a lot of videos. You know, does it really work in our lives, in our love life, to attract, you know, the love of our life or other aspects of our life as well? Can you just, you know, since I have an expert with me, so I would better like to know from an expert. Please tell us about the law of attraction.
Law of attraction, it actually really works. It is not that ki this law has been amended like this only, but
Right.
it really works. And it not only works for your love life also, it works in all the aspects, I would like to say that. And law of attraction is like जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि सिक्स सेंस आपकी काम कर रही है कहीं ना
Okay.
कहीं.
Okay.
Law of attraction is not nothing, it's just like sixth sense. Sometimes you think of some person or someone and it is in front of you.
And we receive a phone call also
Phone
sometimes.
call also sometimes.
Right,
So
right.
most of the things are like that. So law of attraction, it really works. Whatever you send in the universe, you get back.
So whatever energy we are actually passing in the
Yeah.
universe is just replicating back to us. So we need to make sure that we are passing good vibes and good
Good
energy.
vibes and positive vibes should always be should always be there sent to the universe.
Mhm.
So
So that universe can replicate
yeah.
that and send back to us. That was quite good. So I think audience, that was a beautiful session with Nidhi today, and in the end of the video we will be giving her number, her email ID, and you can always contact her for any kind of consultation that you need regarding numerology or the love of your life or the personal life, finances, career, anything, So be it tarot, be it numerology, or be it astrology, she is an expert in all the sciences. So just get in touch with her. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So I think you really loved our session. If you did, please like our video and subscribe to our channel, I mean Nidhi's channel. And also, if you have any specific query, you want to know about something special in your life, please let us know in the comment section, and we would like to come up with a video for you in the next sessions. Thank you so much.